We're now on the street of Nuuk, the capital city of Greenland. Recently, the US President Donald Trump said he believes the United States would annex Greenland, an autonomous territory of Denmark. And now we're going to talk to local people and find out their reactions to it.
I don't want to be a part of America. He can try. He won't succeed.
It's worrying to see that he wants to take control over Greenland. Everyone is speaking about that. Like, we don't want to be a part of USA. We just want to be Greenlanders, you know.
We don't need US here. We already stood up. We have some, what do you call it, demonstrations here for a week ago or something. So we 3,000 people here in Nuuk. So that's good.
Nowadays, yeah, we're having some attention right now because of that Trump one, that he wants to buy us and threatening us. We're standing against Trump. He was trying to say, like, I can buy you or something. Like, we don't accept that. He trying to use us for minerals here and some oils. We have a lot of gold, minerals and oils here. He's trying to use us for that, I bet.
We have a lot of about that Trump, yeah, but what can we do? I hope he cannot buy us, because we are Greenlanders, not Americans.
For them, this untouched Arctic island is more than just a land, it's their home. And home is not something that can be bought or sold. Yet the weight of the world's glaze lingers. The fear that their tranquil existence could slip away remains. They do not seek attention. They wish for the world to turn its eyes elsewhere, to let them return to the life they have always known. One where the Arctic winds carry only the sound of the sea, not the echoes of political struggle.